Hello all. This video is for absolute beginner. Open Blender. Drag up the timeline. Enable Auto Keyframe. Change the position of the default cube. Change the frame and timeline. For each new frame number, change the position of cube. Change the position in a way you want to animate it. Follow the video. Set the end frame number. Align the camera to the viewport. By Align active camera to view. Change the output format to AVI. Now render animation. We have to fix the lighting, color, camera position, and few more factor. Will be done in upcoming video.